is open again, nice and neat. It's certainly on that kind of cool. See that?
Yeah.
With its own little porch?
Yep.
The portico, that's cool. Yeah, that would probably be the, what do you call it in the top?
The penthouse.
Penthouse. That would be expensive. What happened is that in the 18-something, this family moved and built a well, and the guy was, they were first nervous about the water. They didn't want to drink it at first because it had a funny taste to it, right? And it was very cloudy or whatever. And then, whatever, they started drinking it, and they all got healthy. And the woman who had rheumatism got really healthy, like, so they started, and then over time, it became, here it goes, it became like the word spread, and then they had, that was the first well that was dug, and then by then they had like 27 wells dug, and then everyone from all over came to drink this water, and then they started selling the crystals, Yen, so that when the water evaporated.
Okay, how it tastes? You say it.
Oh, it tastes unique. It almost tastes like salt water.
Minerals.
So we are
Like
trying crazy water.
Yeah, it tastes like salt water this time. Like the number 4, it really tastes like salt water. You know, like if you accidentally are, if you're swimming and then you accidentally swallow some of the water, it kind of tastes like that. But it's not just that. It's different. It has a unique taste to it.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So
It
here
has-
we can try the 1, 3, and 4.
It
Yeah,
has,
they have 4 to go. This one I guess has the lowest and lowest amount of minerals and stuff, and this one has the highest amount of minerals.
Guys,
But
let's show
basically-
me this one. So it shows all the benefits of the minerals.
yeah, 3 is a little easier.
We can buy some of
Oh, they
it.
have sparkling. I don't know how they do this.
Yeah, cool. So this is one of the wells of the crazy water. This is the outside of it, and that's the bath area. For the bath, you have to make appointment with them. And the lady say there's one well at the back as well, so I'm not sure which one.
I
Okay.
think the wells are probably over there.
Where? Over there?
That might be a well, but I'm not sure.
No, I'm not sure. So let's go to the front of the crazy bath house. So this is the crazy bath house. That's how it looks like.
Let's see, crazy water.
Yeah.
Bathhouse and spa. Monday through Friday, 9.
So appointments only. If you want to go, you have to make an appointment.
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god. No, can't open.
This is awesome. This was a tow truck back then. This is a big car. Wow. It looks so nice on the outside and so scruffy on the inside. I don't know how you're getting these photos so bright on my camera. Your camera's able to fade it. I don't know.
Can't really see inside.
There's nothing inside.